Hey everyone! In this quick guide, I'll show you how to pay your T-Mobile bill online. First, go to Google and type T-Mobile Pay Bill. Click on the first result that says T-Mobile Guest Pay Quick and Secure Online Bill Payment. You can either pay as guest, no login needed, or log in to your T-Mobile account. The guest option is the easiest. It will ask for your T-Mobile account number or phone number. Type the number twice to confirm, then check the box that says I'm not a robot. Click continue. Your bill details will now appear. Choose how you want to pay: debit card, credit card, or other available option. Complete the payment and you're done. And that's it. That's how to pay a T-Mobile bill online. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.